friends. In a previous video I told you I had major changes in store for my track, and I've essentially got those major changes complete, so now it's time for the big reveal. Are you ready? There it is. So if you've looked at previous videos or seen any previous pictures I've posted, like on Redline Derby, you'll know that I used to have a return track that came around here and brought you back. So basically what I did was I started out by narrowing down the bench work. I took a full foot off of this end. It was 3 feet, now I'm down to 2 feet. I've also pushed the finish line back. Taking out that big curve allowed me to get another foot to make it a foot longer to the finish line. And now the catch box is just here at the end, and I'm going to make myself a new catch box yet. But I've also got the thing I've been promising for a long time done. I now have my homebrewed Arduino finish line tied into my starting gate. So now I can actually get official times, which is way cool, because now I can start tuning cars, making them faster for the mail-in races. So essentially right now, with my temporary setup, all I have to do is hit this button and away they go. Goes through the finish line, gets the time, as well as some flashing LEDs to show the winning lane. And stealing an idea from Steel City Mafia. Great idea, by the way, buddy. Thank you. I picked up a couple of these yardsticks to test out from Menards. I'm going to probably get a few more since I do like what it's doing. And up here at the starting gate, have the old JLH Crafts starting gate. So took a little bit of work to get that all tied in electronically, but I can actually reset and start the gate this way if I want, but it doesn't affect the time. But I also have the button over here that all I have to do is, as soon as I hit that button, it triggers the gate, resets the timer, and waits for the cars to pass over. And there you go, gives you time. So narrowed down the track. Another thing I did was I moved it over, centered it more on the tables. If you remember from earlier videos and pictures, the track was, way close to the edge over here. So I still got some more work to do, but essentially this is the basic track that I'm going to be finishing up and using for a while now. So I'll get some nice fencing along the side in case anything comes off the track, it doesn't hit the floor. Bend the axle like that Lamborghini that you'll see in the Decide to Ride video. So that'll be one of the first projects. But yeah, overall, this is going to be it, and I'm hoping within a month or two I'll be ready to try hosting a race. So thanks for watching. Look forward to any comments you might have, and we've got a lot of work to do yet, like turning all this into something permanent, but for now it works and I'm enjoying it, and making it was a lot more fun than buying it. All right, thanks, catch you later.